All right, welcome back. This is episode 4 of Logic Pro X, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. I am your host, Milo Da Vinci. Let's jump right in. So in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the control bar. The control bar helps you customize your main window with buttons that show and hide different areas. You're able to control playback, recording, you can get specific details about your project. You also see playback positioning, and also you can switch between different modes. To switch between different modes, use the buttons to the furthest left and to the right of the control bar. Most of these areas will be further explained within future tutorials. The first button is for the library, which opens and closes the browser. You can also press the Y key to turn the library on and off. Library allows access to individual selected tracks, plug-in presets, a variety of instruments, and much more. The next button is the inspector button. Use the I key for easier access. The inspector allows for viewing and editing parameters for the selected area, track, and items. The following button is the quick help button, which gives a description of whatever region in Logic Pro's interface the cursor is moved to when activated. The quick help tool is a really useful button for when you're new in Logic and need assistance knowing where everything's at and exactly what it is that everything does. Now we are on to the tools button, which contains a variety of one or more functions and controls for your current Logic project. Next, we have the smart control button, which shows an area that gives access to simplified controls for swiftly modifying the current sound. Click on this one and then it shows the other controls available that I can use to then control some parameters that control the sound of this instrument and track. Now we have the mixer button, which gives rapid access to the channel strips for each individual instrument in your project, along with auxiliary, output, and master channel strips. Next is the editors button, which allows access to Logic's set of editors that will provide a contrasting outcome when clicked based on the region or track that's chosen. Alright, let's open the editors. Click this area and we'll be in the track audio editor. If we click a MIDI area, it'll take us to the piano roll editor. Click the drummer region, it'll take us to the drummer editor. Now, let's talk about the right side buttons. First is the list editor, which when clicked is where MIDI events, marker, tempo, and signature can be edited in numeric order. Second is the notepad. This is where you can create notes about individual tracks or the project as a whole. After that is the loop browser. This gives you access to all included Apple loops. Last but not least is the browser. The browsers allow entry to our 3 different browsers. First, there's the project audio browser, which gives access to the audio files in the project. The media browser, which gives access to audio and movie files on your laptop. Then you have an all-file browser. This is a finder window in which you can use and browse through your laptop hard drive, your external hard drives, or any type of servers that are connected.